Imagine a time when America ruled the roads with chrome, power, and a dream of luxury. A time when cars weren't just machines, they were rolling statements of pride. And in 1952, one car rose above the rest, introducing the Lincoln Capri. A full-size luxury icon that reshaped American automotive history. This wasn't just a car, this was the machine that proved Lincoln could challenge Cadillac, outrun expectations, and redefine comfort for an entire generation. Today, we dive into the story of a car that brought power, prestige, and first-class comfort to the golden era of motoring. If you're a fan of classic American luxury, stay with me, because the 1952 Lincoln Capri is about to take you on a ride you'll never forget. Introduction to the 1952 Lincoln Capri. The 1952 Lincoln Capri marked the beginning of a new era for the Lincoln brand. This model replaced the Cosmopolitan and instantly became Lincoln's flagship luxury car. With a bold design, a powerful V8 engine, and unmatched ride comfort, the Capri was designed to challenge the dominance of Cadillac and Packard. This was the car America noticed. It wasn't only stylish, it was engineered with purpose, strength, and the ambition to become a true luxury leader. Exterior design. From the outside, the 1952 Lincoln Capri is elegance on wheels. It features a long, broad body typical of 1950s American luxury cars. Heavy chrome bumpers. Wide grille with a confident presence. Jet age-inspired tail lamps. Smooth curves giving it a floating, premium look. The Capri's design was meant to make a statement. Whether it was parked in a driveway or rolling down a highway, it demanded attention. Lincoln wanted a car that looked powerful even when it wasn't moving, and they succeeded. Interior luxury. Step inside, and you enter a world of 1950s luxury. The interior featured premium fabrics and leather options. Thick, cushioned bench seats. A beautifully crafted dashboard. Chrome accents throughout the cabin. Large windows offering exceptional visibility. Everything was designed with comfort in mind. Long drives felt effortless. The Capri was built for families who wanted style, class, and a true American luxury experience. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 1952 Lincoln Capri came with a 317 cubic inch V8 engine producing around 160 horsepower, a powerful figure for its time. But what made the Capri truly special was its performance reputation. It won multiple Mexican road races, La Carrera Panamericana. It proved Lincoln cars could handle long, high-speed endurance races. It helped build Lincoln's reputation for toughness and reliability. This wasn't just a luxury car, it was a luxury car with racing DNA. Driving experience. Drivers described the Capri as smooth, stable, quiet, powerful. The suspension was tuned for maximum comfort. Even on rough roads, the Capri delivered a soft, floating ride, something Lincoln was famous for. The automatic transmission added ease, making it one of the most comfortable long-distance cars of the early 1950s. Legacy. Today, the 1952 Lincoln Capri is considered a true American classic. Collectors admire it because it represents American post-war luxury. It played a key role in Lincoln's racing success. Its vintage styling stands out even today. Clean examples are rare and highly valuable. This car marked the beginning of a new direction for Lincoln, one that focused on power, prestige, and unmatched comfort. The 1952 Lincoln Capri wasn't just another luxury car. It was a statement. It proved Lincoln could compete with the best. It blended comfort, power, and timeless design into a package that still captures hearts over 70 years later. If you love American classics, the Capri is a legend you simply can't ignore.